Now buy call generated, green color candle open. Whenever market trend changes, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Right now it's upper side breakout, buy call generated, green color candle open. That straight white line from green candle, that is our entry point line. So in this chart automatically you will get entries like where to take entry, target, stop loss. Through these entries you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. For plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today it's April 22. After 1:30 this buy call generated. Call came at 47,811. That straight white line is our entry point line. Above line is the first target, second target line. The first target is 47,930. It's more than a 100-point first target range. Second target is more than a 200-point range. Like this daily, whenever a breakout happen, automatically it will generate the calls. After some time, it started to move in upper side direction. During this bullish momentum, it strongly break out the first target range. Like this buy call generated and break out the target. 48,000 out of the money call option chart. So 175 the buy call generated and market all the way to the 220 to 30 range. Like this you can change script also, like crude oil, Reliance. If you want to buy the chart, for chart plan detail you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.